Hey there, folks. Let's do today's CSS Daily Target. All right. What is this shape? What is this thing? What is this thing? Let's use we'll try for the nested template. And so what is the nested template? We have got the HTML element and the body element. And then we're going to use margins to create this shape with the HTML and body element. So 1, 2. So we want to align these perfectly with the body element. So that's the body element that's being created. And then a reminder that the Firefox browser doesn't quite do this, but Chrome and Safari, which is what I'm using, do. So let's put a border radius of 50%. That gets you the circle. And then the background is a radial gradient, right? So radial gradient, which is a, do we need to use the word circle? We might not need to. We're going to put it in anyway. And we'll do an inner color of transparent, and then the dark color. Actually, no, inner color of light green, and then the dark color. Let's put it at an extent 40 pixels, 0, 45, 50, 50. So that's what we've got now. Now, if I put that at 50%, 50%, and then give it a width of 110 pixels, no repeat, and then give a backup color, that might be it. Oh, a little bit bigger. How about 120? So because we've got the no repeat, we don't get that effect, right? If we make it not repeat, then we just need the one gradient. Now I think we don't need the keyword circle. No, we don't, because this background size is a perfect square. If it were different height than width for that little block, then it would be a different story. Now, one question. No, I take that back. I was going to maybe do this as 2 radial gradients and not have the border radius, but I think that's a mistake. But we solved it. Let's make sure that we're 100% match. Sending it to the CSS Battle backend, and yes, it's 100% match. And then we can minify and unit replace. Are there other changes we can make? We can just do 50% in this. Interestingly, I don't understand why I can just do 50% and don't have to do 50%, 50%. Oh, because that is the default, and we need some position. And if I do 0, then that's no good. So we are, because of the abbreviated syntax, we have to set some background size. And in this case, 50% does it. If I do 0 or 10 or 20 or whatever, it's just not going to do it. I could do a different number, but I don't need to. Anyway, final submission, and then we're out of here. That's it. That's how we do it. Have a great day. Go make a web page. Be good to each other. It is rough out there. Bye.